A very good morning to all my dear students. In previous video we have discussed about salivary glands and liver, but today we will discuss about pancreas. Okay, today we will discuss about pancreas. Now pancreas. Okay students, here pancreas. Today we will discuss about pancreas. Pancreas is a diffused pink in color. It is pink in color. Pink in color. Okay, pink in color. Now leaf shaped gland. Leaf shaped gland. Okay students, leaf shaped glands. It lie where you can see here. This is the duodenum. Okay, this one is pancreatic duct. Okay, this is a pancreas. This one is pancreas. Okay students, this is a duodenum. This one is duodenum. This one is stomach. Okay, now pyloric sphincter. Okay students, let's see. It lie in the U-shaped loop of duodenum. Okay, pancreas is a dual gland. It is dual gland. Okay, dual glands. First is exocrine part. Second is endocrine parts. It is divided in two parts, exocrine parts and endocrine parts. Pancreas had two parts, divided in two parts, exocrine parts and endocrine parts. Okay students, let's see here. Exocrine parts form of pancreatic lobules. Pancreatic lobules. Pancreatic lobules. Okay, pancreatic lobules are acini. Okay, pancreatic lobules are acini. Pancreatic lobules produce pancreatic juice. It is produce pancreatic juice. Okay, it is produce pancreatic lobules produce pancreatic juice. Okay students, Now it contains some enzyme. It contains some enzyme. Some enzymes. First is trypsin. First is trypsin or chymotrypsin. Or chymotrypsin. Trypsin or chymotrypsin. Second is, first is trypsin and chymotrypsin. Second is amylase. Second is amylase. Third is lipase. Third is lipase. Okay, lipase. What is the role of trypsin and chymotrypsin? Now you can see here, trypsin and chymotrypsin, this enzyme is a protein digestive enzyme. Okay, protein change into the polypeptides. Polypeptides by the help of trypsin and chymotrypsin. Now what is the role of amylase? Starch change into the maltose. Starch change into the maltose by the help of amylase. Now lipase is a fat digesting enzyme. By the help of lipase, fat change into the fatty acid and glycerol. Okay, fats change into the fatty acids and glycerol by the help of lipase. Okay student, so this is the exocrine parts. Exocrine parts formed of pancreatic lobules are acini. Acini or pancreatic lobules produce pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice contains some enzymes such as trypsin, chymotrypsin, amylase and lipase. Protein change into the polypeptides by the help of trypsin and chymotrypsin. Amylase is starch digestive enzymes. Starch change into the maltose by the help of amylase. Lipase is a fat digestive enzyme. Fat change into the fatty acid and glycerol by the help of lipase. Now second part is endocrine parts. It form isolates of Langerhans. Isolates of Langerhans. Okay, isolates of Langerhans. It produce some hormones such as insulin and glucagon. First hormone is insulin. Second is glucagon. Okay, insulin and glucagon. Insulin is secreted by beta cell of isolates of Langerhans. Okay, insulin secrete the beta cell of isolates of Langerhans, and glucagon secrete the alpha cell of isolates of Langerhans. Okay, what is the role of insulin? It decrease the blood sugar level. It decrease the blood sugar, decrease the blood sugar level. Okay, blood sugar. Okay, now it increase the blood sugar. Okay, insulin decrease the blood sugar. It secrete from the isolates of Langerhans of beta cell, and it secrete by the alpha cell of Langerhans. Okay, it increase the blood sugar level. So students, what is the role of main function of insulin and glucagon? When extra glucose enter into our body, then glucose change into the glycogen. Now glycogen change into the glucose. Okay, glucose change into the glycogen by the help of insulin. Okay, and these glycogen is stored into the liver. Now when we need some energy after some times, then these glycogen change into the glucose by the help of glucagon. Okay, glucagon. Okay students, so its main function is that glucose change into the glycogen by the help of insulin, and glycogen change into the glucose by the help of glucagon. Okay, so students, this is the endocrine parts. This is the endocrine parts of the dual glands of pancreas. Endocrine parts, it's formed isolates of Langerhans. Isolates of Langerhans, just like this structure. Okay, isolates of Langerhans. Okay,